Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a shortcut in Google Chrome. Actually, that's gonna be a very quick tutorial and it's easy and simple to do it. So let's say we wanna add a shortcut here to Facebook. Let's say Facebook, yeah. Open Facebook. And now what? Just click here on this add shortcut button here. Now name it how you wanted to name it, what you want to name it. Let's say Facebook. And now here you have to put the URL to your Facebook. Let's say like that. Copy the link, pass it here, click on done, and as you can see you have a shortcut to your Facebook now. Actually, you can do it to everything that you want to create a shortcut. I mean, you can create a shortcut to everything that you want, to YouTube, to your translator, to your Viber, to your WhatsApp, and as you saw, to your Facebook. And if you wanna remove it, just click here on these three little dots and click on remove. Or you can also edit it. And that was how to create the shortcuts in your Google Chrome. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. See you next video. Bye.